Hello folks, this video is about one of my favorite adenium which started dying due to root rot, and I was only left with few branches because I could not save the trunk. So I decided to graft those branches on my 1-year-old seedling plant. I made a straight cut and removed the top stalk, and then once it was of the same size of the branch, I used Fevikwik and tried to stick them together. Make sure that you apply Fevikwik only on the outer layer of the plant. You should not touch the white part in the middle, else it won't be able to stick and grow. Sticking small branches while grafting is pretty easy with the Fevikwik, but because it was a longer branch, so I gave it extra support so it doesn't move anywhere and helps in sticking together. You can use any thread or any kind of tape for it, but once I tied it properly, I covered it with a poly bag so the plant can retain its moisture and doesn't get dried. So after covering the plant properly, I left it in shade for 2 weeks, and then I didn't water it too much. I used this white plastic plate for watering the plant. I poured some water in the plate once a week, and the plant was absorbing the water through the pot's bottom. As you can see, the tiny leaves started growing. Thank you for being with me till here. I tried my best to keep the video as short as possible, and I also don't want to miss out anything. After 2 weeks, I changed the pot for better drainage. I added some pieces of charcoal. The plant finally started producing flower buds, and the wound has also been healed. So you can finally see the color of the flowers which are about to come. This was one of my favorite flowers. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for next updates.